Hey, how y'all doing? I thought I'd do a little video showing the latest pocket knife I've got finished. This is the first one that emerged from those three that I've been working on here lately. It took the lead of the pack and ended up getting finished first. So this here's be a look at how it turned out. This is natural canvas micarta, and it wasn't advertised as aged micarta, best of my remembrance, but when I contoured it, it turned into a nice warm, I call it like a honey color there where I contoured it, and of course the edges stayed dark. So I don't know if this has some age on it. I'm assuming it does. Anyways, it's a really nice look, I think. The overall close length is 4 inches, and with it open, it is 7 inches. Wipe my old fingerprint off of there. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how this one turned out. I always have room for improvement, but this one did fairly well, I think. I have a 400 grit hand sanded finish, and I did well, you might call it like a bird's eye style pivot, which usually the hinge pin is a different color than the bushing part, and I did brass for both of them, so it just looks like a large pin, I guess you might say. So I haven't been calling it a bird's eye style pivot because of that, but that's the concept of how I made that. And this one is my 42nd one. I just did I didn't do no file work or anything like that on this one. I've got quite a few people that are wanting one of my pocket knives, and I have several I need to do for Christmas, so file work takes a lot more time, as well as putting bolsters on them, so I'm going to try to do several here with just I guess you might say basic handles on them. Has a pretty nice walk and talk. I'd say it has a medium pull. The blade centered up really nice on this one. I kind of like this because it's fairly slim. I used 1/8 inch micarta on this, and that helped keep it with a real slim profile. And I actually really like that. It don't feel bulky that way. The swedges turned out pretty nice too. I'm always trying to get them to fade out into a point, tip, and at the spine. And somehow or another, I always get it to where it's not faded to a point very well. And this one, it did rather well. I had a little patience and took my time with it, and that helped a lot. So I'm pretty pleased with how the swedges did. But anyways, this is just a little short video showing how this one turned out. I hope y'all are having a good day, and I will talk to you later.